How to rotate any picture on Samsung phone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on folder and click on picture. So if you want to rotate picture, so click on picture. So click on this edit icon. So after click on this edit icon, you will see this is rotate icon. So if you want to rotate picture, so you will select rotate picture from here. So after select picture, click on save. So you will see a picture is rotate. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can rotate any picture on Samsung phone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.